Attention women. Are you tired of living with the pain and discomfort caused by fibroids? Well, we have an incredible solution for you. Introducing the Green World Fibroid Care Package, the revolutionary treatment that can change your life.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and I used to suffer from debilitating fibroids. They affected every aspect of my life, from my relationships to my career. But then I discovered Green World Fibroid Care Package.
Green World Fibroid Care Package is a breakthrough non-surgical treatment designed to shrink fibroids naturally and restore your well-being. With its advanced formula, Fibroid targets the root cause of fibroids, giving you the relief you deserve.
I couldn't believe the results. My fibroids reduced in size, and my energy levels soared. Green World Fibroid Care Package truly changed my life.
As a Green World healthcare professional, I highly recommend Green World Fibroid Care Package. Its unique blend of natural ingredients ensures both effectiveness and safety, with no harmful side effects.
Don't let fibroids control your life any longer. Take charge of your health and try Green World Fibroid Care Package today.